You guys, another day, another mail for baby girl. Just got 2 packages in the mail. So let's see what's in these and who they're from. Okay. Let me see if there's any name on this. Oh my gosh! It is my dress for my baby photo shoot. So you guys is getting a snippet of what the color look like. This is dress number 1. Ah! Hopefully it fits, or else I'm gonna have to change it. Let's see what's in this one. My dress has arrived. Well, one of them has arrived. There's another one to come. Let's see what's in this package. I don't have a scissors, so I have to be ripping this apart. And I'm a small, but I buy the dress in a medium just to play safe. So hopefully it fits. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let me see what this one is. I was wondering what that is. But it's my dress. Ah! My dress is here. Package number 2. Aww, it's a gift from Tyler from Auntie P. Aww. And Tyler is gonna be so excited. This is the ultimate rescue chase Paw Patrol helicopter, and Tyler has been wanting this, so Priscilla sent it for him. And he shall be a happy camper when he gets home. Chase is his favorite pup, as you guys know. So, yes, he's gonna be super excited. Alright. Thank you, Priscilla. Tyler will be excited later when he gets home. What is that? Wait! What is that? Wait. What? So of course I promised you guys that I would show you guys every gift that come after the unboxing videos. So here we go. Another day, another gift, more gifts. So I have 3 gifts. Let me see who these are from. Okay. Let me see if I can tell who this is from. This is from Miss Patsy Presley, and she wanted to send some things for Tyler, and some you guys already saw, and this was one of the shirts that I chose that says I'm the big brother, and this is so adorable. It's Tyler's perfect size, and he shall wear one of these shirts when baby sister arrive. So yeah, that's so cute. Thank you, Miss P. And in this other one is this is from Priscilla, and this is one of the props that I want to use for baby girl for her newborn photos, and I already show you one of the outfit that came, and this is like a little angel wing. Let me see if I can figure out how to take it out of the package to show you guys. Oh, where does it open from? I can't seem to figure out where it opened from. Okay, gotcha. so adorable. Oh my god. So this is a little angel wing that she'll put on with a headband to match it. So cute. Oh my god, so adorable, so adorable. She's gonna be such a girly girl with all these pink. So that's the headband to match it. Match her little angel wings. So adorable, love it. Thank you, P. All right, in the next one is a little outfit. Who is this outfit from? I'm not sure. Oh, look at this outfit. So this is the headband and that's the pants and that's the top. So adorable. I'm not sure who this is coming from. I'll have to look and see, but whoever it's coming from, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Go ahead and show you guys these packages that came today and see what it is. Package number 1 of our registry is this sweater looking romper onesie that is adorable. When I saw it and added to the registry, and when it came last night, it was everything I imagined. Isn't that so cute? It's the cutest thing. And this one was one of the very first items that Priscilla ordered, but it's just coming. So thank you, Auntie P. You continue to show us with your love and we appreciate it. Okay, this one too is one of the very first things that Priscilla ordered, but it's just coming. The things with some of these outfits are that they're done to order, so a lot of them come in late, even though it's some of the first things that she ordered. And here is the pants, here is the hat, here is the headband, and here is the top that says little sister. I love it, so cute. So thank you, Auntie P, again, love it. And this is a recent order from Priscilla and it's some pacifiers. Love it, cute. All right, and in the pacifier pack we have 2, so we have pacifier galore. And this one, I don't know what it is, so let's see. Oh my god, oh my gosh, this shoes is from my good friend from high school, Alsharine, and she ordered this a while back, but it's just coming. Look at how super cute this is. If this is not cute, then I don't know what is. Oh my gosh, so adorable. I love it. Thank you, Alsharine. All right, I have 2 boxes. Box number 1. This might be not for baby girl but for Tyler, but let's see, because when Auntie Priscilla ordering, she's not just ordering for for baby girl, okay? She's ordering for the entire household. I love her. I tell Priscilla that I'm going to ban her from the internet. I'm trying to see how to open this one. Okay. Let me see what's in this. Oh, ha ha ha. Oh. Okay, I know who this one is from. Oh. This one is from my girl Kenisha, and this is a lounger. So you put the baby in the middle and they can just relax on it. Let me show you a picture of what it looks like. There we go. There we go. And I love it. Awesome. Thank you, Kenisha. Amazing. Okay, one more box. Okay, and here we have one more box. Let me see what is this one and who it is coming from. Haha. And this box is for my boy. This one is for Tyler. And Tyler shall be happy when he gets home today. Oh, Tyler has been dying for this Paw Patroller. It's called the Ultimate Rescue Police Car, and he has been dying for this. And of course Priscilla ordered it because she asked him, she called and she asked him what he wants, and he tell her a bunch of things. And I thought Priscilla was going to order just one of the item, and she ordered like 4 different items. I'm like, Lord, this needs to not happen. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. There it is. And can you guys imagine how Tyler is gonna be over the moon? I'm gonna show it to you because I am not sure that you guys gonna see Tyler in this vlog, but I might just save, I might just film him seeing it later just to catch his reaction, because I know it's gonna be adorable, so that you guys can just be in and all his excitement, sharing all the love with him. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here, but stay tuned to see Tyler excitement at the end of it. So that's it for unboxing more goodies from you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fan Bam, and catch and keep up. Love you guys. We appreciate every single one of you. Just know that you guys are the realest. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tyler's about to get his surprise from his unboxing, and then he's gonna unbox it. Close your eyes, no peeking. Don't open. Don't open. Don't open. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Keep it closed. Okay, now you can open your eyes.
I don't want to rescue. I don't have a police car.
Who sent that for you?
Auntie Priscilla.
So what do you say?
Thank you, but I don't want it for my birthday.
Isn't this what you wanted?
I want this, that's why I can't work.
Yeah, is this what you wanted?
Yes. To walk.
Yeah. So you're gonna unbox it now, eh?
Yes.
Open it.
Mama.
Go ahead, let Papa help you.
Mama.
Yes.
You see, I want to best. I told you, Mama.
You want all the rest of what?
Oh, look,
Yeah,
Mama.
that's for you.
Muscle. Mama.
And this one is for you too.
Guys.
You happy? You happy, Ty?
Yes.
Say thank you to Auntie P.
Thanks for Auntie P.